If you've been looking for ways to promote your videos on YouTube organically without paying any money, without stress, this is for you, okay? Now you're going to get a lot of views. I went on YouTube, on Google, and I typed in how to grow on YouTube. Now look at the list of strategies it gave me. But take a moment to look what we have here on number 6. It says rank in Google video search. Now let me show you something interesting. Now I'm just going to go ahead and type in why watch hours are decreasing on YouTube. Just look what we are going to have. So this is what we have. Now you want to go ahead and tap on this part that says video. Just tap on it. Now let's scroll down and see the videos that we have here. Okay, so just let's look out for Glory Ceey's video. Can you see number 1 here? You can see Glory Ceey, and this one was even uploaded on the 15th of November 2024. You can see why watch hours are reducing. Okay, now the next one is still whose video? Glory Ceey, why your watch hours are decreasing. Let's go down and see if we have any other Glory Ceey's video. Look here, what can you see here? 1 day ago, watch hours decreasing, still by Glory Ceey. Okay, so let's just see if we have, oh, can you see another one? Watch hours decreasing, 6 reasons why YouTube watch hours. Now note that this particular one, I even uploaded it on the 11th of September last year, 2024. But you can see it keeps bringing out my videos. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how you want to do this on your own channel or your own videos, and we're about to get very practical. Okay, and if this is your first time meeting me, hello darling, I'm Glory Ceey, and on this channel I help both small and new content creators to grow on YouTube. I tell you mistakes you want to avoid and tips and strategies that you want to imbibe so that you can grow and get monetized fast on your channel. So if this sounds like something you want to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it's free of charge, and do not forget to give me a big thumbs up on this video so it can get to a lot more content creators like us. Now the very first thing is something a lot of content creators actually omit when we are filming our videos. Now YouTube actually transcribes everything we say in our videos. For example, if you come to your video right now, like look at this, my video. Once you come to your video, if you scroll right down, you're going to see show transcript. And once you tap on that show transcript, you're going to see everything. Can you see the timestamp, the timeline of everything that I said inside my video? That is to tell you that YouTube actually transcribes everything that you say in your video. So if you are filming your video, you see the keywords. Let's assume your video has about 2-3 keywords. You want to ensure that you keep mentioning those keywords in your video. If it is on how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to get watch hours, how to lose weight, how to add weight, how to make money, whatever it is, always ensure that at strategic points you continue to mention those names, because it is going to be one of the things that will make your videos to rank high. And this works for every niche, because YouTube actually uses what it has in its transcription to promote your video. That is part of the things that would make YouTube to understand what you have or understand what your video is about. So when people are searching, it is easy for YouTube for your own video to pop up in the algorithm. Now the next thing that will allow your video to rank high in Google video search is your embedding. Now when you allow embedding on your channel, it will be easy for YouTube to pick, or when you allow it on a particular video, it will be easy for YouTube to be able to embed that particular video on different sites. So even if any blogger is talking about a particular topic and your video addresses that topic, they can easily place your own video on their site. But if you do not have embedding allowed or enabled on your channel, they will not be able to use your video. They will look for another person's video to use. So now, how do you allow embedding? The first thing you want to do is to come over to the desktop version of your YouTube studio. Then come to this place, that's this second icon here. Tap on it. It will bring out the list of your videos. Now tap on that particular video. If you go down here, let me just zoom in. If you go down here, you're going to see show more. So once you tap on show more, if you look here to this section where it says license and distribution, you're going to see allow embedding. You can see that I already allowed it in my video. If I don't want it now, I can tap on it to disallow it, but because I want it, I'll tap on it. If you even tap on the question mark there, you can see allow others to embed your video in their sites. Now the next thing that will let your video rank high when it comes to Google search is known as timestamps or chapters. Now if you come over to my video here, If I tap on the more section and I scroll down, look at the more section and I scroll down, you can see chapters. Now if I go ahead and tap on view all, you can see the different chapters that I have here. Now, not just that, they are not just chapters showing number 1, number 2, number 3. No, you would see that the first one I said introduction. Look at the topic, how to make money on YouTube. They have keywords. How to make money is there, YouTube is there. The next one, who this video is for, monetized and non-monetized creators. The next one, how to access promote feature on YouTube. The next one, choosing between audience growth or video views. You can see how everything is well optimized. That is part of the things that will make your video to rank high on Google or even on any search. How do you enable this? You can do this either manually, or you just better still allow ChatGPT to help you. So you want to go over to YouTube. Okay, go to where you have your videos. Just tap on your videos. So tap on any one of them. Okay, tap on the 3 dots in front of your video. Tap on share. Tap on copy. Then you just go over to your browser. All you need to do first of all is to go to where you have your YouTube transcript. So just type it in there, YouTube transcript. Okay, bring this first one where you can see the red keyboard. Tap on that first one, okay, and allow it to load up. See this place, just paste your link there and tap on get free script. So once you get the free transcript, you scroll down to see the free transcript. Okay, it might bring up this ad. Just tap on this close window here. Okay, then you're going to see the transcript. Then just come here and tap on copy. Once you tap on copy, all you just need to do is to go over to, still on your browser, okay, go over to where you have ChatGPT. Then you want to just go ahead and tell ChatGPT to generate for you timestamps, okay, based on the script below. Don't worry, you're going to paste this particular script. Okay, then you now go ahead and tell it the length of your video. Maybe the length is maybe 10 minutes, 20 seconds, or whatever the length of that particular clip is. So this is now you now go down and then paste the script and then send it. Now once you send it, ChatGPT is going to go ahead and do the job for you. So you can see the timestamps. You just copy it and paste into your description box. Now the next thing is when it comes to your auto captions. If you notice both your captions and your auto captions, if you notice, even if on this video I do not have subtitles, if you tap on the CC that I have on my screen right now, it is going to bring out everything that I have said on my video. And not just that, it is also going to be auto dubbed. So that means you are using your captions, your auto captions and your auto dubbing features, and I'm going to show you how to use them. So if you want to use the manual captions, you can just go ahead and put subtitles in your video while you're editing your video. The next one is you want to go to your YouTube studio and turn on auto captions. Now to turn on auto captions, just come over to your setting here, tap on your setting, okay, then go over to your channel, go over to advanced setting, okay, then just scroll down. You're going to see auto caption, so you want to tap on it. Okay, now for your auto dubbing, just go over to upload default here, then come over here to advanced setting, then scroll down. Okay, scroll down. Okay, so you can see automatic dubbing, so you want to enable it. The good thing about auto dubbing is that it allows your video to be exposed to people from different backgrounds, different languages. So the good thing is, while they are watching your video, they can't hear you speaking your language. They would be hearing you speaking in their own language. So it's easy for them to stay and watch your videos, and as they watch, it keeps promoting your videos, pushing your videos out to a wider audience. Do not forget, we are having our YouTube studio class on the 19th. That is on Sunday. It has come already, it has arrived. So you want to go ahead and sign up for our YouTube studio class, and do not forget to watch this video where I shared a lot of vital information. I'll see you in class this Sunday. Bye. Mwah.